So let me show you guys the process. So all of my seeds in here, it is this packet. I just finished it. So this has all these ingredients in it. So I have some fenugreek seeds, and I'm gonna add some chebby powder as well. I'm just gonna temper it in this pot. So I'm gonna wait for it to get to like 180, and then I'm gonna place this in there, not to a boil because we don't want to break the glass or anything, and add some extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna put some grapeseed. It's literally time for me to re-up on everything, but we have some cloves and some cinnamon I'm also going to add. I like cinnamon because it helps the smell a lot. Obviously you should look up ingredients to find the best ingredients, but you should also be enjoying the process of hair care, like enjoying your process of getting to know your hair, seeing what works for your hair and what doesn't. I take all the hair practices from all over the world. Who got the best hair practices? I don't know, but I take them from all over the world and I just combine them. It doesn't say exactly how much tea stuff. And we're gonna add 3 cinnamon sticks to both. And you can add different stuff. Like I don't always add the same things sometimes I put in rosemary if I have rosemary. Sometimes I do put coconut oil if my hair is like needs some structure to it, but for the most part this is what I do. And so now the temperature is at a cool, it's basically at 180 now, and I take it slow, y'all, because I've had jars break and I do not want to break a jar today. I'm gonna put a lot of olive oil. Me right now. And this is by Action Hair Care for 2 weeks before I like crack it open and use it. But I'm gonna stir it constantly. So that's my hair oil blend. That's how I make mine. And then when I am done, I'm gonna strain it, and I'm gonna like triple strain it, like even with a cheesecloth,